Hello everyone, welcome to the Villa Chefs. Today we'll be preparing a chicken and chili jam tray bake. The first step would be to prepare the chili jam. The chili jam can be prepared much ahead and stored in the fridge for about a month. Soak the dried red chilies in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Squeeze out the excess water and place the chilies in a grinder. Add the fresh red chilies, chopped onions, lemongrass, garlic and ginger and grind to a coarse paste. Heat oil in a wok over medium flame. Add the ground chili mixture and cook, stirring often for 10 minutes. Add the brown sugar, tamarind and half a cup of water. Reduce heat to low and cook for 15 minutes until the oil separates, stirring regularly. Finally, stir in the fish sauce. Allow to cool and transfer to a sterilized jar, and you can store this in the fridge for up to a month. In a large bowl, whisk together chili jam, brown sugar, soy sauce, add the chicken pieces and marinate well. Keep it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, or if you have the time, overnight. Make sure to bring the meat to room temperature before cooking.
Heat oil in a pan on medium-high flame. Fry the chicken pieces for 3 minutes on each side till lightly brown. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade.
Place the uncooked rice, garlic, chicken stock in a large casserole dish or a baking tray. Place the chicken and the onions over the rice. Pour in any excess marinade over the chicken.
Drizzle with oil, cover with aluminium foil and cook at 180 degrees centigrade for 60 minutes. Uncover and cook for another 10 minutes to brown lightly.
Garnish with fried onions and coriander leaves and serve with extra chili jam on the side. The detailed list of ingredients and the method can be found in the description box. Do like and subscribe so that we can bring in more recipes from around the world. The Villa Chefs signing out.